Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about the different forex trading setups that I'm currently focusing on in forex, crypto, commodity and indices market. We will talk about the actual setups and about the confluences that we have in order to support our trading decisions. So first of all, let's start with the pair OZJPY. If we start from here, we have the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. After making this lower low, we are expecting a lower high or a kind of retracement back into this high confluence zone to look for any kind of opportunity and rejections to go short. Now, why this is a high confluence zone, we can see as yet it's a recent broken support zone, so it is going to act as a resistance to the price once price hit this zone. Also, it's the zone like retested multiple times in the past, so it's a very strong zone. We can say 20 EMA is already below 50, so that's going to be another confluence. Also, EMAs are going to act as a resistance to the price once the price retraces back to this zone. And if we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, considering the swing low in this area, so we see it's like 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone as well. So considering all these factors, we see this as a high confluence zone and look for any kind of opportunity to go short in this market. Next, let's move to Euro JPY. Now, Euro JPY is also making lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. After making this lower low, we are looking for a lower high in this high confluence zone in order to continue the downtrend. Now, why it's a high confluence zone? As you can see, it's a recent broken support zone, which is going to act as a resistance to the price once the price retraces back to the zone. Also, this zone is retested multiple times here, 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 and here. So it's a very strong zone. Also, we can see 20 EMA is already below 50, so that's another confluence. Also, EMAs might act as a resistance to the price once the price hit this zone. If we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, considering a swing low here, we see it's like 38.2 to 50% Fibonacci retracement zone, which is okay to look for a shorting opportunity. Considering all these factors, we can look for a shorting opportunity in this zone to go short. Next we will go to GJ. So GJ, like other JPY pairs, is also in a downtrend, making lower low, lower highs. So starting from here, we have a high low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now we are waiting for a lower high into this high confluence zone. So we are waiting for the price to retrace back to this high confluence zone and give us some kind of indication to go short. Why this is a high confluence zone? As we can see, it's a recent broken zone. Also, it is retested multiple times, so going to act as a resistance to the price. 20 EMA is already below 50, and EMAs are also going to act as a resistance to the price once the price hit back this zone. Also, if we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, we can say it's a 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement zone, which is a golden zone. Considering all these factors, we see it as a high confluence zone to go short. Now let's move to next pair, which is going to be USD Hong Kong dollar. As we can see, price is consistently making higher high, higher lows. Starting from here, we have the high, high, low, high, 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 low, and now we are making a higher high. So as price already broke above and closed the previous high, so we are waiting for a retracement back into this high confluence zone to go long. Now, why it's a high confluence zone? As you can see, it's a recent broken resistance zone, which is going to act as a support to the price once the price retraces back to this zone. Also, it's a very strong zone because retested multiple times. Also, the price moving in a channel, so lower band of the channel is going to act as a support to the price. 20 EMA is already above 50, so another confluence. Also, EMAs can act as a support to the price once the price retraces back to this zone. If we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, consider the swing high here, we see it's going to come like 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone, which is a golden zone. So considering all these factors, it seems a very high confidence zone to go long. Now if we check the Cad Jpy, it's also making consistent lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the high low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we are waiting for a lower high into this high confidence zone to go short. Why it's a high confidence zone? Same method, same technique. It's a recent broken support zone. Also EMA is below, EMA 20 EMA is below 50. Both EMAs are going to act as a resistance to the price once the price retraces back to this zone. If we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, we see it's a 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement zone. So next we have natural gas. As you can see, natural gas is consistently making high highs and higher lows. Starting from here, we have the high, low, high, high, higher low, high, high, higher low, and now we broke and close above the previous high. So we are waiting for any kind of pullback into this high confidence zone to go long. Now why it's a high confidence zone? As you can see, it's a recent broken resistance zone which turned into a support. It's retested multiple times in the past, so it's a very strong support zone. Also we can say 20 EMA is below 50, so adding another confidence. Also moving averages can act as a support to the price once the price retraces back to the zone. And if we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high, depending on where we have the swing high. So consider the current position, we see it's a 50%, around 38.2 to 50% retracement zone. So considering all these confluences factor, we can say it's a high confidence zone to go long. Let's so we'll be waiting for the price to retrace back to this zone. Okay, now let's move to silver XAUSD. As you can see, the price was moving in a channel, and now recently price broke below, not only from not from the support, but from the channel as well. So we are expecting, as you can see, the price broke below, swing lower, swing high, then broke below the previous low. Now we are waiting for the price to retrace back to this broken zone and give us any kind of indication to go short. It's going to be a high confidence zone. Why it's a high confidence zone? We can see that it's a recent broken zone. Also, it is retested multiple times, so it's a very strong zone. And we can see 20 EMA is already below 50, so adding another confluences, and EMAs are going to act as a resistance to the price once the price retraces back to this zone. If we check the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low, considering the swing low, then we see it's a 38.2 to 50% retracement zone. So and also we have the lower band of the channel is also going to act as a resistance to the price. So considering all these factors, we do see it as a high confidence zone in order to go short. Now the last, we are going to talk about the German 30. This is an index. We can see that price recently broke below this strong support zone. So right, we already broke below this strong support zone. What we are expecting, we expect price to retrace back to this zone and show us some indication rejection to go short. Why this is a high confidence zone? As you can see, it's a recent broken support zone. Also, we have multiple retests on this zone, so it's a very strong zone. Also, we have EMAs which are going to act as a resistance to the price once the price retraces back to the zone. Although we do not have 20 EMA below 50, but that's okay. We have other confluences in this zone. If 20 EMA below, if 20 EMA do cross below 50, that's okay. Otherwise, it's fine. And if we check the Fibonacci retracement zone from swing high to the swing low, it's a 38.2 to 50% retracement zone as well. So considering all these factors, we do see it as a high confidence zone, and we will look for any kind of indication to go short. So friends, this was it. These were the trading pairs that I'm currently focusing on. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much.